Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I wanted to talk about Sora 2 and how you can remove the Sora 2 watermark for free by using ComfyUI. Now, a quick disclaimer about this video. This is just a tutorial on how you can remove the watermark. You should not be using this for anything commercial. This is just for educational purposes only. It's against their terms of service to remove it and repost it, so that's on you what you do. I didn't create this workflow. I just wanted to show you guys how I got it going. Okay, so this is from another YouTuber called Sirio. He has a great video. I'll put the link in the description there that you can check it out. He was showing the paid methods on how to remove the watermark, and he also had a section here about how you can use ComfyUI, and he was nice enough to actually attach a workflow. So if you check that out there on his video, he's got the GitHub link. I will throw this on my Patreon as well just to help distribute his work, but it is not mine. So you can download this here, and it worked right out of the box for me. It is really good. Okay, so this is just an example. This is a video that I didn't create myself. I found it on Sora. I think it went viral. It's where the interviewers ask them, do you know your artificial intelligence? And then, they say, what? In their native language. So it's kind of interesting. Anyways, you can see here in the original video that the watermark is all over the place. It's moving dynamically and in and out. And in some spots, it's really hard to see the white on the white there. So this workflow actually identifies it properly with these masks. So these are also included on his GitHub. He has these two masks, the vertical and horizontal are available. So you just load those in, no problem. It works really well. You can see here's the output. I mean, the Sora logo is nowhere to be seen. The original video looks great. Not much quality degradation there. So yeah, this looks pretty good. This workflow is really easy to use. So there's a couple of things you need to know. So they use the Realistic Vision 51 checkpoint, and then this LoRA, which speeds things up a little bit. So these are the settings that came right out of the box. I haven't changed anything. It worked for me. I did try some other workflows that claimed to do the same, but none of them worked as well as this one. So I've been trying to put this video together for a little bit now, and I finally discovered the workflow from Serio. I think that's how you say his name. So it's quite good. You can try it for free. Check out my Patreon as well. I will have everything up there. But yeah, I didn't create it. This is from Sirio. So just check out his channel, subscribe. Maybe he'll give me a shout out one day too. All right, guys, that's it. Just wanted to show you this little tutorial. The workflow is free. Stop paying services to remove your watermarks. You don't need to do that. Everything's free. All right, guys, have a good day.